Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, I'm the real Capxvino. Yes, I have been gone for about 3 weeks, but there is a reason. There is a reason to why I wasn't recording or why I wasn't uploading any YouTube videos. It's just because my ring light decided to break on me. Like literally, when I went to record a video, it just broke. The light turned off, the plug even broke. So yeah, it was a bit of a dilemma, but we got it sorted, got a new ring light. But yes, I am back with you guys today with a little video of like the trainers that I've picked up within the past 3 weeks. It's not a lot, there's only 2 pairs of trainers that I've got, but I just thought let me come onto YouTube and just do a quick video of you guys to show you what I purchased whilst I've been away from YouTube. So before I get into this video, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment, but also subscribe if you're new here. And if you are new here, as I mentioned before, I am the real Capxvino and I create trainer and styling content videos. So yeah, if you want to see me on my YouTube journey, I want to see the content that I create, then please be sure to subscribe to see weekly videos from me. So yeah, without further ado, let me just get straight into the video and show you guys what I picked up. So the first pair of trainers that I picked up were a Jordan 4. If you know me, then you know I absolutely love Jordan 4s. I think they have to be my favourite pair of Jordans. The Jordan 4s that I picked up were the Jordan 4 Shimmers. I literally love these. I know I say this about every single trainer, but these are so beautiful, so minimal, and the fact that they're a Jordan 4 just makes me love them much more. These are just a few details of around the shoes. Obviously have the side view, we have the front view, and then we have the other side view too. I have all these trainers already prior to this video just because I couldn't cope, I couldn't wait, like I just needed to wear them. So starting off with the outer side of the shoe, the whole main body of the shoe is a tan kind of beige kind of colour tone. That is literally all over the shoe. The great thing about these shoes is I've read up on a few sneaker pages, and also when searching up about these trainers, the fabric of the shoe, which I think is like a leather or a nubuck, I'm not completely sure, I think it is nubuck, it feels a lot like nubuck, but yeah, the more you wear the shoe, the more the leather does its sort of magic and it starts to shimmer. Like the shoe generally starts to shimmer. I know it sounds a bit crazy, like the shoe isn't shimmering right now, but apparently the fabric of the shoe, the more you wear it and the more that the fabric wears off, the shoe actually starts to shimmer, hence why it is called the Jordan 4 Shimmer. But yeah, I'm actually very intrigued to see what happens with this trainer over time. Like the more I wear it, I want to start seeing this shimmer come through, because I've never seen a shoe do that before, and it's really interesting to know that that's what actually happens. So yeah, for you guys that have this trainer and you're watching this video right now, keep an eye out, because your 4s are going to start shimmering at some point after you wear them. But yeah, I did read that on about 4 different pages, so if that doesn't happen, then they're lying to me, but I hope they're not, because I feel like that is such a good like idea and concept behind the shoe. Going forward with the rest of the shoe, there is a Jumpman logo on both of the heel tabs. I love the fact that they have kind of embossed this into the plastic heel tab. It just makes it look very clean and very minimalistic, and just gives it a very nice touch to the Jordan itself. And then on the side of the shoe, you have the white, off-white kind of wings, and these are on either side of the shoe. A Jordan 4 wouldn't be a Jordan 4 without the wings. So yeah, I really love how the off-white really contrasts really well with the beige suede. And then obviously we have the white caging on either side of the shoe. Going down to the lower part of the sole, we have this dark kind of caramel colour going on in the sole, and then obviously the bottom sole, it's just white. And then at the bottom, sorry that they are so dirty already at the bottom, but like I mentioned before at the beginning of the video, I have worn these already. But I don't know what it is with Nike recently, but the soles of their shoes just look so good. Like, I know that is so random to say, but absolutely love the colour that is going on with the soles right now. So then going forward with the front of the shoe, when you purchase the shoe, it does come with white laces already inside the shoe. This is not centering once again. Ugh, I hate my camera sometimes, I literally hate it. But yeah, when you purchase the shoe, it comes with white laces inside. It does come with an extra pair of laces. Where are they? It comes with an extra pair of lilac laces. I am not really a fan of them. Even though purple is my favourite colour, I just can't see lilac going with this beige kind of colour. But I will put them in and see what they look like, and if I do like them, then I might pull it off. But I think I'm going to stick with the white laces inside these Jordans, just because if we add colour into these trainers, it's just not going to look right. We'll see, we'll see. I'll put them in. If they look alright, I might keep them in. If not, then white laces it is. And then on the tongue of the shoe, you have this silver Jumpman. This has to be my favourite part of the trainer, just because it's so different. Like, you don't really see a metallic Jumpman on any Jordans, but the reason that it is silver is because it's meant to mimic a kind of mirror looking effect to the trainer. And I kind of understand where they're coming from, because when you look at the silver Jumpman on these trainers, you can see yourself, but you can't see yourself clearly, if that makes sense. Like, you can see yourself moving in it, but you can't like see your face properly. There is a message behind it as well, and if I remember correctly, the message is to be comfortable in your own skin, which I think is a really good message, because there's many people out there in today's society, and because of social media, there's so many people out there that are just not comfortable in their own skin. But the fact that there is a message behind these is really, really powerful, and I love the fact that it's just not a trainer, it also has a message behind it too. So yeah, that is a little review of the Air Jordan 4 Shimmers. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you these trainers. Oh, once again, I always forget to do this. I always forget to tell you guys about the inside of the shoe. On the inner tongue, it has an upside down Air Jordan tag that is sewn onto the back of the tongue. And then inside, it's literally, I would show you guys the insole, but I don't want to rip it out the shoe. But yeah, it's just a beige insole with the Jumpman logo on it too. I can never remember the price of my trainers, but yeah, these retail at £170. The resale price on these, I'm not too sure how much they're actually going for, because I haven't searched up, but I can imagine that they're going for quite, not too much, but like a reasonable price. I didn't really hear too much hype about these when pictures were surfing the internet or when they were releasing, but I know a lot of people do like them, and I could imagine a lot of people want to get their hands on them. These are a women's only drop, but of what I can remember, I think there was extended sizes on them. So yeah, this is a really beautiful shoe. Obviously I will tell you to get it because it's an Air Jordan 4, and if you know me, I love my Jordan 4s. Jordan 4s are starting to become like Jordan 1s, like there's just a drop every week near enough. But yeah, let me forget about the new releases. There's a few previous Jordan 4s that I want to get, so hopefully I can get my hands on them and show you guys on my YouTube channel when I get them. But yeah, that is the Jordan 4 Shimmers. So the next pair of trainers that I picked up were the Air Max Furyosa. I don't know if I'm saying that correct at all, but yeah, the next pair of trainers that I picked up were a pair of Air Maxes. I literally adore these Air Maxes so much because they're just so different to any of the Air Maxes that I have seen recently or even seen in my time. But yeah, these are the Air Max Furyosa. I'm just going to call them Air Max Furyosa. I'm probably saying it so wrong, but yeah, these are the Air Max Furyosas. Literally the detailing to the fabric to the silhouette to the colors, just everything in general about this shoe is just crazy, and I feel like it's a trainer that everyone needs in their collection. This is not the only colorway, it comes in various other colorways as well, but just because I love my color and love being out there, I just felt that these were the ones for me. These retailed at, where is the receipt? So these retailed at £135, and I got them from Offspring. Got them in my usual size, I think. Did I get them in my usual size? I got them in a 4.5. I think my foot is grown, so every trainer that I get now, I just get a 4.5. Size 4 just seems to be so tight on me now, but yeah. Enough of me waffling again, let me just get straight into the detailing of this trainer. First of all, we have this double Air Max sole. This is something that really caught my eye to these trainers, just because I've never seen an Air Max with two soles, like literally. I just feel like it gives such a dimension to the shoe and makes the shoe really bulky. I love a bulky shoe just because they go with everything, and who doesn't love a big shoe? Like, they're vibes, they're actually vibes. So starting off with the sole of the trainer, we have this double Air Max sole situation going on. I think this is the thing that really catch my eye to these trainers, just because I've never seen an Air Max with a double sole before, and I've never seen a actually in general I've never seen a trainer with a double sole, but the fact that it's a double Air Max sole just makes it so sick. Like, I love the idea of it. And I really think that going forward with Nike trainers, I feel like Nike should do this a lot more often, because it just gives such a dimension to the shoe, just gives a whole different look to the shoe in general. And yeah, like, it just looks so good. Like, it doesn't even look like a sportswear shoe, it looks like a designer shoe to me. Like, it's giving me very Dior vibes. Like, I shouldn't really say Dior because I absolutely hate the Dior trainers right now, but yeah, that's sort of vibes that it's giving me. But the fact that it's chunky, like, who doesn't love a chunky trainer? Everyone loves a chunky trainer. But yeah, going forward with the rest of the trainer, obviously the sole carries on into the front in this white blocked colour. I feel like if the Air Max sole actually carried on to the front, that could look pretty. Front sole. Moving forward with the front of the shoe, we have like this navy suede patch that literally starts from here and then goes around to here, and then you've got the two Nike swooshes on either side. Going to the side of the shoe now, we have a few more navy patches. These patches aren't suede, these patches are actually leather. And then obviously on the middle one, you've got the Nike swoosh as well. And that is the same on the other side too. Going to the back of the trainer now, we then have like this red rubber rim that goes around the whole of the back of the shoe. And then above it, we have, above it, we then also have this navy suede, but then obviously the navy leather on top of each of the two, which gives a really nice effect to the back. And going upwards now from the blue leather, we then have like this wavy kind of beige leather that runs from the back of the shoe all the way to the front of the shoe, all the way to the other side of the shoe. So the great thing that I love about this shoe as well is the yellow lacing that runs around the whole of the shoe. The great thing about this yellow lacing, it kind of like tightens the shoe at the same time. So when you put your foot in, if you feel like the trainer is too tight or too loose, you can always use this lace to pull. It's like it pulls the fabric up a bit for it to like be more tightened. Obviously you've got the normal lace at the front as well, but the yellow lace does make a difference to when you've got your shoe in or out of the shoe. Because even though these are 4.5 and they're my usual size, they do feel a bit big, but the fact that there's this yellow lacing that allows me to tighten it a little more really helps me with the shoe, so it doesn't like, so it's not too big for me, if that makes sense. But yeah, carrying on with the front of the shoe, you've got the white laces, lace holes, like a purple colour. And then at the front of the lace, you've got another leather patch which holds the lace in place. And then moving on to the tongue of the shoe, we have this kind of like red neoprene effect tongue. On top of the neoprene, then we also have a red leather kind of patch which I think runs, yeah, we have a red leather patch which runs from the bottom of the tongue all the way to the top. And then as you can see here, you can kind of see the leather bit here, and then we have the red neoprene around it. And then the great thing about this too is on the back of the red neoprene section we have a navy blue tongue, so it's kind of like a double tongue. So I really love that idea because you've got a double tongue going on, you've got a double sole going on, and just in general it's such a beautiful shoe. To mention as well, on the side of the shoe we also have these teal lace sections where the lace goes through. That is on either side of the shoe too. And then the inner of the shoe is also the teal kind of colour as well. And then inside we have the insole that says Air. And then last but not least, the sole of the trainer. I think this has to be my most and eye-catching favourite part. Like I mentioned before, all Nike trainer soles just look crazy recently. Like, I think I'm loving the soles more than the actual trainer. But yeah, we have like this, it kind of reminds me of space, like space and the stars. That's the sort of vibe that it's giving me. But yeah, absolutely love these shoes. To be fair, they also look like confetti as well. But yeah, that is the sole. That is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed me reviewing my Air Jordan 4 Shimmers and also my Nike Furyosas. I was going to show you guys how I style these trainers in this video, but I just thought 2 reviews, a whole 2 lookbooks would have just been too much for one video. So I think in future videos I will be showing you guys how I style these trainers. But until then, if you want to know how I style them, please head over to my Instagram, which I will leave somewhere on this screen. If you want to see how I style them, then do follow me up on my Instagram, and yeah, you'll get to see how I style them. Before I end this video off, please be sure to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, guys, which one was your favourite trainer out of the 2 that I reviewed today. And if you have any other suggestions of trainers that I should get, then please do let me know. If you want to see lookbooks as well, please let me know in the comments, and I will try and get a lookbook video for one of these trainers up on my channel for next week. I really want to style my Nike Jordan 4 Shimmers, to be fair, because I have so many outfit ideas to go with them, and because I see a lot of people with these trainers, I feel like it'll be a good idea to just do a little lookbook to show you guys how I personally style them. But yeah, once again, before I end the video, please be sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you're a new subscriber, be sure to subscribe because I'm going to be having uploads every week. And if you're a trainer fanatic like me, into trainers, into street style, into fashion, into everything fashion or trainer related, please be sure to subscribe. And yeah, you'll just enjoy my videos. If you want to see more, if you want to see more of my face, if you want to see more of me, if you want to see more of my trainer collection, then please be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.